The Birds is the same short story that Alfred Hitchcock used for the movie about an attack of birds. So The Birds is about 4 characters that are survivors of this horrific attack. How are we going to bring the birds into our theater? Design, sound design, lighting design. You'll feel every scene get a little bit more intense, and working with the cast has been a lot of fun on this project. I love working with a smaller group of people, ensemble that gives us a chance to, really dig in. I hope that we can get some of our audience on the edge of their seats. We've worked hard for 5 weeks in rehearsal, and the payoff is when the audience comes and enjoys the show.